You how to change this button, just like I have this. Only this is a Note 10, okay, and it may work on a random Samsung phone. First, go into settings, go to display, go to navigation bar, and then you'll see like this. It just changes to that, and in that it has this order, whatever, like that. It's the new thing. You go swipe from bottom. This one is for that. This one is just backing it. And this one is just home screen. I don't want the notification bar. Options, I want that. And that's the end of the video.